for 2018. The Rogue is cosmetically and mechanically unchanged, but it is no longer available with a third row. However, it adds several consumer-minded features that improve its appeal elsewhere. The biggest addition is Nissan's ProPilot Assist, which debuts on the 2018 Rogue. The system uses lane-keeping assist and stop-and-go adaptive cruise control to help the driver accelerate, brake, and steer on the highway. Every Rogue also receives a standard 7.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additionally, it receives another USB port, 2 total, new standard equipment on higher trims, renamed and reshuffled packages, and 2 new exterior colors, Scarlet Ember and Midnight Pine. What was new for 2017? The Rogue received updated styling inside and out as well as its first ever hybrid powertrain in 2017. Nissan implemented its Motion corporate design theme onto its front end and added an optional motion-activated tailgate. Inside, changes included new materials throughout, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and an updated center console. The Rogue added active safety assists such as adaptive cruise control and automated emergency braking. Its other new options included remote start, a heated steering wheel, memory mirrors and driver's seat, and a Platinum Reserve interior package that brought tan leather appointed seats with quilted inserts. Trims and options we'd choose. The mid-level Rogue SV has the best combination of price and features. Starting at $26,875 for the front-wheel drive version, all-wheel drive adds $1,350. It features a 170 horsepower inline-4 mated to a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. Its list of desirable standard features includes heated front seats with an 8-way power driver's seat, proximity key for passive entry and push-button start, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, dual-zone automatic climate control. We'd also opt for the SV Premium package, $1,490, which includes a heated steering wheel, navigation, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera with Nissan's moving object detection system. As its name suggests, this feature alerts the driver to moving objects nearby. The grand total of our well-equipped Rogue SV is $28,365. Still, for a little less, we'd much rather have the all-star Honda CR-V or the fun-to-drive Mazda CX-3.